We are going to be assembling our sides together with dowels and pocket screws. At this stage, we want to glue our dowels in to our hole locations for our lower support. We're going to be doing a little bit of glue in the bottom of the hole. And we're going to take a wooden mallet and gently tap those dowels in. When you start seeing a little bit of glue squeeze up through the dowel, don't go any farther. And you will want to clean off that glue with a damp paper towel. Continue this for each hole location. The dowels will fit very snug into the holes and won't be able to be removed once installed.